Hello guys, I'm back with another video today. I am going to Central Districts Football Club. It is the last home and away game of the year for the sample. That means SANFL for some of you that don't know. But yeah, hopefully Centrals will beat Glenelg. Glenelg is a tough team to beat. They did beat them last year at the same time by 1 point. But yeah, I wasn't at the last game with Centrals and Crows because the weather, well, it said it was going to rain, but then it didn't rain. But yeah, sorry about that guys, but I'm definitely going to this one. And I will be opening up 4 packets of footy cards, 2 AFL and 2 AFLW. Hopefully we get something good, something rare. That'd be epic. I haven't got anything rare at the games yet. But yeah, I'm almost there. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video today. Aiden Grace isn't playing, but that's okay. We've got good players. We've got the new player Douglas Cochran. He's a good player. But yeah, enjoy the players kicking goals and enjoy. Hopefully we get something good in the footy cards. Hope you guys enjoy. Okay, let's get into opening up these cards. Let's start off with the AFLW. Need the best ones to last. Okay, let's see what we get. I'll just do that. Okay. First packet, AFLW, and we got Amy McDonald, blue card. Nice. Not too bad. Put on my checklist. And oh, another checklist. St Kilda checklist. Not too bad. Right, second packet. Right. And we got silver best and fast. Madison Gay. Silver best and fast. Not too bad. Alrighty, that's the AFLW. Let's do the AFL. Haven't done AFL ones in a while. Hopefully we get something good. Do the same thing with that. Alrighty, let's see what we get. And we got Jordan Dawson, Majestic card craft number 3. Not too bad. My first Crows Majestic. Nice. Not too bad for our first pull in this one for a long time. Alright, second packet and last packet. Alright. And we got Isaac Heaney, best and fast silver. Not too bad. That's pretty good at the moment. So in the AFLW, we got a blue, Amy McDonald, and we got Madison Gay, best and fast silver. In AFL, Isaac Heaney, best and fast silver. And Jordan Dawson, Majestic card craft number 3. Not too bad. That's all the cards have been opened now. Enjoy the players kicking goals at Central Districts Football Club. Goodbye guys. Actually no, not goodbye. I forgot about that, it's not the end of the video yet. Alrighty, enjoy. Okay, I have left early at this game because I did not want to stay to see what is happening. Well, the Dogs, Central Districts, the score's 82-8. Glenelg's on 82, St. Lucy's on 8. It's not even half time yet, and the Dogs have been smashed by Glenelg. So I have left early. I've only got one video of St. Lucy's player kicking a goal. One player, one goal. Because that's all they've scored so far. But yeah, worst game ever. Sorry about that, guys. Sorry to disappoint you guys. But yeah, that was the worst game ever. But hopefully they can win in the finals. But yeah, I hope you enjoy the video and opening up the cards and that one goal the player kicked. But yeah, I'll be back soon with another video, but I hope you guys enjoy. Goodbye, guys.